Just an oil change.
Okay, which one would you like today?
The one that was in there before in the system.
Okay, it shows here that you had some high mileage one. Do you still want that?
Let me check. Just the oil change.
Okay, I can check your battery, your power steering.
Just the oil change.
It's a good idea if you get that checked.
I understand.
What about your tires?
Just the oil change! My husband said just the